In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert thumbs up emoji in Outlook, 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to quickly acknowledge a message or add a friendly tone to your email, a thumbs up emoji is perfect. Let's walk through the exact click so you can place it right where you need it in Outlook on the web. First, open your browser and go to Outlook. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you land on the Outlook home screen. You'll see the familiar layout with options for mail, calendar, and other apps. Make sure you're in the mail experience so we're working inside your inbox. Next, choose mail if you're not already there. This ensures you're in your mailbox and ready to compose a message. You'll see your folders on the left and your messages in the center. From here, we'll create a new message so we can insert the emoji directly into the body of the email. Click New to open a fresh message window. You should now see a compose pane with fields for the recipient and subject, and a large message area. Place your text cursor in the body wherever you want the thumbs up to appear. Setting your cursor first helps the emoji drop into the right spot without extra reformatting. Now look at the toolbar in the Compose window and click Insert. This menu collects items you can add to your message such as images, links, and of course emoji. If your toolbar is condensed, expand it so you can see all available options. From the insert options, click emoji. This opens the emoji picker panel. It usually appears on the right side or as a popover. Near the message body, you'll see categories and a search box. The panel is designed to make it quick to browse or search without leaving your draft. With the emoji panel open, select the thumbs up emoji. If your picker includes a search field, type thumbs up to jump to it instantly. Some versions let you choose a skin tone. If that appears, pick the one you prefer. When you click the emoji, it drops into your message at the cursor location. If it lands too close to text, add a space before or after for clean formatting. Keep in mind that emoji style can vary slightly depending on the recipient's device or email app, but it will still read as a thumbs up. That's it, you've added a clear, friendly thumbs up to your Outlook email using the built-in emoji picker. Thanks for watching, and enjoy adding that extra bit of clarity and positivity to your messages.